People come and go in life. I can assure you, you get me, you get life. I like that vibe, me and you. Exchange popcorns in living room, that's right. Can I be your B friend, nigga? What up, people? My name is Beyond Kimo, Beyondkimo, Beyond Kimo, an Afrobeat and hip hop artist. Forgive me, I started this for love. Father, forgive me for playing. What got me into music was when I was in stage five. Our school organized a talent show, and probably I was the only person that was, I mean, picked during the audition. And since then, I've developed a great passion for music. I was a bit nervous though when approaching that opportunity, but my friends around me really, ginger me to really get into music. So yeah. That's just how I feel. I'm trying to reach the things that I can see. I won't say the journey has been tough. I would say it has been good because probably I started unofficially last year, but officially this year. Because last year I was in school and I was really preparing myself to do this thing. And last year I wasn't, on socials. What I got only was my Safari and my YouTube. I was learning a little stuffs, trying to build myself for this year. Yeah. I say this every day. Me sitting here, my biggest inspiration has been music. I know it'll sound a little bit weird, but music. Whenever I saw people sing, and I see people, vibing with songs, I really got inspired. And me, for instance, how I used to vibe with some songs, sometimes I really picture myself that, so if I am able to also do this, how I'm vibing with that song, people are also going to vibe with the same way I'm vibing it. Yeah, so music inspires me to do music,
So you got blessings for me, drop it, cause I'm sorry, she gave me love, so when I'm...
One Ghanaian artist, I would say Joey B, yeah. And as I was saying, when I was in stage five and I got into that talent show, I was listening to, that was when he has released Tonga featuring Sarkodie. I got myself some small memory card, some 2 gig memory card, to which the only song I was able to download on it was that song, and I was really listening to it. So I would say in a way to Joby has inspired me in my music career, So I would love to work with Joby.
Man no go flop, oh yeah dang, man no go stop. I no get time, man no go watch. Niggas ain't got it like we, cause we be the we way, you be the guy with the rush. Oh Chiwa, your plans no go drop.
My creative process really depends on my mood, and sometimes I can go a rhythm, and I just mimic it as in a recording form on my phone. So when I got time, then I really go into it, and fixed in words. If sometimes it sounds good in my ears, I just leave it like that and hit a studio and record it, So yeah, that's my...
Forgive me, I started this for love. Baby, I must say I've been hedging with them all.
I would like to perform my upcoming project here first on MS24, titled Wrong, which in French means Tor. I really love French, I wish I could speak French as my native language, Yeah. So everything I do, I try to, juice it with a little bit of French.
That's just how I feel.
Wrong is a love tune. I go into I go into a relationship tune, that was SHS, something not that serious, and I got nothing better out of it, So I decided to create something with it, not as in being a heartbreak song, I tried to make it look vice versa, like me accepting the wrong and trying to apologize, not the real story of what really happened to me, trying to be creative and turn the story upside down to let it look a little bit creative and enjoyable to people. So,
Where I can meet you? No. One more time, then I go. Forgive me, I started this for love. Father, forgive me for playing. Forgive me, I started this for love. Baby, I'm a sissy, I've been hatching with them all. Father, forgive me for playing with your love. So you got blessings for me, drop it. Was I'm sorry, she gave me love. So when I'm wrong, I'm taking a weekend piece of you for real. Now am I wrong? I'm trying to reach the things that I can see. That shows how I feel. That shows how I feel. That shows how I feel. I'm trying to reach the things that I can see. Hey, baby said she don't love me again. I took her places not before. I spread some roses, you draw me close, I can hold you and can't smell at all. I feel sorry, don't believe me, I understand. Girl, I gave you so. Now from my inner part can't explain. You know my love is a stored, but babe, I got you alone. We gone through this thing alone. I pray big love for you, but babe, I got you alone. We gone through this thing alone. I pray big love for you. I want carry you go the genesis of my love. I can't leave you back, my love. For what it me so major. You get location condo. Where I can meet you? No. One more time, then I go glue you to my Nike 44. I won't glue to my Nike 44. Hey, for taking a weekend piece of you for real. Now am I wrong? For trying to reach the things that I can see. That shows how I feel. That shows how I feel. That shows how I feel. For trying to reach the things that I can see. Forgive me, I started this for love. Baby, I'm a sissy, I've been hatching with them all. Father, forgive me for playing with your love. So you got blessings for me, drop it. Was I'm sorry, she gave me love. So when I'm baby, I'm a sissy, I've been hatching with them all. So you got blessings for me, drop it. Was I'm sorry, she gave me love. So when I'm baby, I'm a sissy, I've been hatching with them all. So you got blessings for me, drop it. Was I'm sorry, she gave me love. So when I'm taking a weekend piece of you for real. Am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can see? That shows how I feel.